A lot of legends, a lot of people, have come before me. But this is my time. There are better starters than me, but I'm a strong finisher. I don't think limits. If you enjoyed the video, please like video, and subscribe channel. For me, I'm focused on what I want to do. I know what I need to do to be a champion, so I'm working on it. Every season, for me, it's like starting from scratch again. Come on, when you're running, if you see you're going to win, you're going to celebrate. Track and field was very big when I was growing up. I know what to do, and I go and execute. I know what I can do, so it doesn't bother me what other people think or their opinion on the situation. When people see your personality come out, they feel so good, like they actually know who you are. I really don't have a favorite meal. I eat anything. Sometimes you lose sight of what's going on around you. My coach is pushing me harder than ever to make sure I stay at a good level. If I get to be a legend, I've achieved my goal. If you're the Olympic champion, then they have to wait 4 more years to get you again. I was playing cricket first, and my cricket coach was the one that introduced me to track and field. I think they have not learned over the years that the more you talk, the more I will want to beat you. I work hard, and I do good, and I'm going to enjoy myself. I'm not going to let you restrict me. But anybody who steps into the lane beside you is the biggest competition, because they made it to the finals. I think my acceleration is very good. That's the key for me. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, Jossan Quotes.